We present you the new Takkon TK-500, a device designed to attenuate the snoring. After studying the alternatives available on the market, we noticed that the majority of them didn't work. That way, TK-500 is born. And we thought, why don't we make something to make easier the life of the one who suffers the snoring, and not who produces it? Takkon TK-500 is a device that works by the use of interactive acoustic filters. This is what makes the snoring almost inaudible. Does that mean that I won't hear anything? No, don't suffer. The Takkon TK-500 doesn't allow you to have absolute silence. You can hear perfectly the alarm, the cry of a baby, and other people's voices. This is what makes it different. Takkon TK-500 is a selective device. Here starts your experience. It's easy to use. You can choose from 3 different ear tip sizes. Choose the one that adapts better to your ear, and that is how you get the sound isolation effect. It is as simple as putting on the headphones in the most comfortable way you find, turning on the device, and rest. Let your partner snore peacefully. Stop moving or waking him up. Meanwhile, you enjoy a well-deserved night of sleep and rest. But Takkon TK-500 offers you more. If you live or work in noisy workplaces, the device will help you attenuate them. And you, what are you waiting for to use Takkon TK-500?